Last year, SJCAM released a new action camera, the SJ7 Star. It was added to their lineup of what some would call GoPro killers. The SJ8 Star is still on the horizon, so the SJ7 Star still counts as the company's current flagship action camera. It features 4K video recording and costs just under 9,000 pesos. Hey guys, this is Kim of YugaTech, and here's our quick take on the SJ7 Star. Opening the box, we find a bunch of accessories that accompany the unit, including a water and shockproof shell, tripod adapter, cleaning cloth, lens cap, and a few mounts. At first glance, the SJ7 Star looks just like any other actual camera, but most similar to a GoPro with its rectangular shape and lens on the upper right. The aluminum frame is tough, but also looks and feels pretty good. The front face and buttons are rubber, which provides good grip. Up front, we have buttons for power and settings, LED indicators, and the 166-degree wide-angle lens. The shutter button is up top. On the left, micro SD card slot and mini USB port. At the bottom, the hatch of the 1000 mAh removable battery. At the back is a 2-inch LCD touchscreen that is sufficient for quick framing and viewing shots. It's also bright enough to be used outside on a sunny day. Its biggest problem is in navigation, as it's quite difficult to get through the menus only using the physical buttons. The bare SJ7 Star feels great in the hands and all, but who are we kidding? Let's put it in the shell and put it in action. Speaking of the shell, it definitely does its job, but it's not that easy to put on and remove with its double latch system. The SJ7 Star can shoot videos up to 16 megapixels and videos up to 4K at 30 FPS. Photo quality is good in outdoor situations, providing vibrant colors and sufficient detail, but dynamic range isn't too great. If it is in a cloudy day, skies will definitely be blown out. Videos have the same traits for quality, but stabilization could be better. Action camera videos are usually shaky by nature, but more stable shots are definitely more enjoyable to watch. Overall though, it will get you some great footage no matter where you put it. The SJ7 Star is not the newest that SJCAM has to offer, but is definitely a great choice as it gives you a lot of camera power at a low price. It has its shortcomings, but at under 9,000 pesos, it is definitely a steal. If you're interested in buying this camera, we'll leave the Lazada link down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!